How to change font in Windows 10. Hey there Windows enthusiasts! Wanna give your PC a fresh look by changing the default font? You're in the right place. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the steps to change the font in Windows 10. Let's dive in. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, select Personalization. In the left slide bar, choose Fonts. This will display the available font settings. Scroll through the list of available fonts and click on the one you want to use. You can preview each font by clicking on it. If you want to use a font that's not listed, you can install it by clicking on the Get More Fonts in Microsoft Store or by installing the font file manually. Once you've selected the desired font, it will be applied automatically. You can close the Settings window. Open a document or any text editor to see the changes reflected in the new font. Voila! By following these straightforward steps, you can easily change the font in Windows 10 to personalize your PC's appearance. Enjoy your new font. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Windows. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.